Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to blend two images into one using OpenCV in a JavaScript application. So I have these two images, and if I just click on this convert button here, you can see I was able to blend these two images into one. So yeah, that's what we will be looking at. Now I have created a simple application using Vite, so you can just run this command, or if you want you can use any framework of your choice as well. I'm staying away from frameworks. So here you can see you can just run npm create a Vite@latest, and it will ask you what type of project you want to create. Just select vanilla project, and then you just have to, it will create, and select TypeScript as the programming language, and then it will create a project for you. You just have to do npm install, that's it. Okay, now at the time of me recording this video, the latest OpenCV version is 4.level.0. So what you will have to do is you just have to go to this particular URL over here, docs.opencv.org/, but here you will have, instead of 4.level.0, you will have to use the latest version. Like I said, at the time of me recording it is 4.level.0, but if it is anything greater than that, then you will have to use that /opencv.js. okay, so the next thing is you can just create one file called opencv.js inside the root of your project. Just create this particular file and then copy all this code which is there. It is quite a big code, so you can just copy this and just paste it inside this opencv.js file. Like you see, it is almost around 7,000 lines of code. So yeah, I just paste this over here. Then what I have done, inside the public folder I have just taken two images. So these are the two images which we were trying to blend into one. Then if I show you my index.html, all I have done is that firstly we are loading this opencv.js library. Okay, so it is asynchronously, and this is the TypeScript module file which we have defined, in which we will be writing all the code. And here, as you can see, I have just taken one image tag. I'm passing lake1.jpg. This is the second image tag, and here I'm passing lake2.jpg, and here I'm just giving it some title and style as well. And here is our convert button, and OpenCV requires a canvas, that's why I have defined a canvas over here as well, because the output will be displayed in a canvas. We can't use normal img tag. Okay, once that is done, just go to the script tag, and here we first get hold of our image1, image2, button, as well as our canvas. Okay, then we just use this cv variable. Like I don't know how to define a type for it inside TypeScript, so I'm using any. Now this cv variable is coming from this opencv.js, so it is already declared. We don't need to set or assign a value to this, it is already present. Okay, so on the button click, so now this is a new thing in OpenCV, so you have to use cv.then cv2, and then perform all the operation. Previously we didn't need to do this particular thing. We can directly do cv.imread image el1 image el2. okay, so cv.then. okay, once I have this, I'll just do cv2.imread image el1 and image el2. okay, then we just check the rows and columns for both images. If they don't match, we just resize this. Then we create a mat. Then here we just define some alpha, beta and gamma. Then we just do cv.add weighted, passing our src1 alpha, src2 beta, gamma, and the distance or the mat what we have defined. Then we just do cv2.imshow inside the canvas element, passing our dst. Yeah, that's it. And then we just clean out the memory by deleting src1, src2 and dst. So yeah, that's it. That's all there is to it. Thank you for watching. Bye.